Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Decoration Ideas 289. This video is for you guys. This is amazing nice looking of your favorite bedroom decoration ideas and bedroom wall decor decoration ideas. In today's video you will see how you will decorate the walls of your bedroom, and apart from this, which picture can you put on the walls of your room and how you can decorate theme your room wall decoration ideas, latest designing, United States country style here and there. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. If you can enjoy this video and like this video and share your friends and your families WhatsApp groups and other groups, decoration ideas, latest designing. Apart from this, you will see how to decorate your room so that you can make the bedroom like the United States country and Pakistan, India, which these videos of your favorite home decoration ideas, and it is great nice looking room wall decoration ideas and room wall art decor designing in your favorite home interior and living room interior decoration ideas. This is amazing nice looking of your favorite home. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time, take care.